Oh, traders, today is the 14th of November. What a blessing day, guys. Amazing trade, guys. Let me share with you guys how we bank amazing profit on Euro Yen. If you look at the 4-hour chart, pretty straightforward. Been long since the market have broken this bull flag pattern. We have taken all this pullback. Even we have also taken this counter short trade here, bank amazing profit. Since this morning, we also have taken a long once the market broken above the previous high. So let me share with you guys how I analyze the entries. That's the key important thing, not to miss any opportunity. Bank amazing profit, guys, amazing. If you look at here, that was a beautiful, as you mentioned here, we had this beautiful long trade after the long market broken and retest give us the confirmation, bank amazing profit. After banking, that was the counter short trade here, guys. That's a pretty straightforward. We constantly looking at the price action. So you can see here, as mentioned here, the market has developed this low and we were expecting a pullback, as mentioned here, based on the analysis. Beautiful short trade here, broken pullback, beautiful short, nicely hit to the previous low. As explained, bank amazing profit after banking this profit. So this morning, as you can see here, pretty straightforward. As explained to my trade, look for any pullback, would consider high probability trade. One pullback, second pullback, as explained my trade, is time to bank amazing profit or move your stop loss at the break even. And even now, I think the market is nicely hit to the target. Let me share with you guys the pound yen actual price target, nicely hit. There you go. You can see here, guys, price nicely hit to the profit target, bank amazing profit. So guys, you want to see those analyses in real time, most welcome. Join our fast growing today community. Have a nice day, guys. All the best. See you next time.